Hello, my dear students and friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is one more lecture of phase equilibrium. In the last lecture, we discussed about the degree of freedom, phase rule, and the phase diagram of one component system, that is water system. Already we discussed in the previous lecture phase diagram as well as the detailed explanation of one component system of water system we discussed in the previous lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see very important phase diagram of carbon dioxide system. This is again one component system of carbon dioxide, in which we are going to see in this diagram, that is phase diagram of carbon dioxide, which we are going to see description of the curves, description of the area, triple point of CO2, that is triple point of carbon dioxide, and uses of the phase diagram. This is exactly similar as we seen in the phase diagram of water. Likewise, the same explanation that we are going to see in this phase diagram also, that is description of area, description of curves, triple point of CO2, and uses of the phase diagram. Here we can see phase diagram of carbon dioxide system. This is looks like a little bit of similar, that is similar to that of water system. But one thing here we have to remember that here on x-axis temperature is note down. On x-axis temperature is taken in degree Celsius. On y-axis pressure is taken in atmospheric pressure. Try to understand which is taken in the atmospheric pressure. As like the water system, this is also the same thing, where the carbon dioxide system, which is a one component system, which exists carbon dioxide in solid phase, carbon dioxide exists in liquid phase, carbon dioxide exists in the gaseous phase. Means where the carbon dioxide exists in three different phases, that is carbon dioxide in solid, carbon dioxide in liquid, carbon dioxide in the gaseous, where all these 3 points are in equilibrium at an intercept. Here we can see AB curve is there, BC curve is there, and the BD curve is there. All these 3 points are meet at a intersection, that is called as the point B. Here we can see this is the point B. Here this is point intersection of these all these curves. Point B is known as the, that is triple point of the carbon dioxide, in which this carbon dioxide system, what we are going to study here, we are going to study area under this curve, that is ABC curve. Area under this ABC curve, this is ABC curve. Area under this ABC curve, what is this one, and area under this CBD curve, area under this CBD curve, this is also we are going to study, and the area under this ABD curve, this we are going to study. Okay, so where the carbon dioxide phase diagram system, again which is divided in a three different ways. Area under the curve, this is ABC, area under the curve of CBD, area under the curve of ABD, this we are going to study, as well as curves also we are going to study, AB, BC and BD. After that we are going to study the triple point. Okay, these things let me see. Now first try to understand the description of the area. What is the area? As I told that here AB is the curve, BC is the curve, and BD is the curve, where the area left of the curve BC, left of the curve B means this one, as well as and above the curve BA means AB, above this curve AB up to this level, and left hand side of the curve BC. This whole thing is known as the solid, which is called as the solid ice. Means where this is dry, that is solid, carbon dioxide is there, means which is in a single phase, the whole area which is present in a single phase. Here we can find out the degree of freedom. Here we can find out the degree of freedom, that is F is equal to, already we studied in the yesterday's lecture, that is C minus P plus 2. See, what is C? C is the component. The component is the one component, that is carbon dioxide in solid, carbon dioxide in liquid, carbon dioxide in gases, having the only one component. What are the phases of this area? Here we can see carbon dioxide only is in the solid phase. या area मध्ये आपण इथे बघू शकतो, या area मध्ये A, B आणि C, in this area only the carbon dioxide in the solid form, means it is only having the one phase. Here we can see 1 minus. What is the P? P is the one phase, that is 1. Put plus 2 as it is. What you will get it? You will get minus 1 plus 1 cancel. You will get the 2. Means here degree of a freedom of this area is the 2. Means here particularly if you want to find out any point, you have to take it 2 variables. Consider to be 2 variables, whether it is maybe the pressure, whether it is maybe of the temperature. Likewise in this area, which is the degree of freedom of this area is the 2, means here it can be affect with a variable with the pressure or temperature. At least 2 variables you required for the to getting the that state of that area. Next is, here we can say next we can say, here I will change the color of this area, that is pointer here. Yes. Now next is second area is right of the curve BC. Right of the curve BC means this one is the BC. Okay, up to this area. Okay. Then above of the BD. So this is the area. Okay, here it is the area. What is this? Again we can consider here this area B, C, B, D. In this area the whole carbon dioxide is in the liquid form. Whole carbon dioxide is in the liquid form. Again we can calculate the degree of freedom of this one also. What is the degree of freedom? This one. Here also same formula, that is, here it is a P is there. Here we can C minus P plus 2. You can calculate how. What is C? C is the component of the system. It is a 1. Okay. And phases. How many phases in this area? Only having the liquid phase, that is of minus 1. P is only 1 and plus 2. So what you will get? Again you will get the answer is the 2. Means in this area also at least degree of freedom is the 2. Means whenever you want to find out the state of this area, at least you should change the 2 variables, whether it is pressure or the concentration. Okay. Now come to the area of A, B, D. Means the, here we can see the below the area of BA and below the area of BD. Again I will change here color of this pointer, then we can easily detect. Now this is the area. Here it is below this AB and below this BD. So this whole area is called as the gas. Means carbon dioxide is in the gas form. Here also we will find out the, that is, degree of freedom of this one also. The same formula, that is C minus P. Here we can write plus 2. Okay. So what you will get it? You will get component is 1. Okay. Phase is also 1 plus 2. So again you will get the what? Degree of freedom is the 2. Means at least in this area also, if you want to find the state of this area, at least you should change the 2 variables. Means degree of freedom of this area under the curve is always the 2. At least means we have to take it for the 2 variables. Okay. Now next. Now this is comes to the description of the curve. Now we are going to the curve. What are the curve we can see here? Here we can see the curves. See, this is the curve. Here curve AB is there. Here curve BC is there. Here curve BD is there. What this indicates? This curve indicates that this, here it is solid in the solid area. Here it is the gaseous area. Here it is the liquid area. Now curve AB indicates solid as well as gaseous are in the equilibrium. Now this point, now this dark solid line indicates that on this point, if you take it state of this any point on this solid line, here it indicates that this solid phase and the gaseous phase are in the equilibrium. You are getting my point. Here is the solid state. Here it is the gas phase, solid phase and the gas phase. But here we are going to find only the area on the dark line. Means on the point on the curves, those are the equilibrium. It indicates that here we can find out the degree of freedom of this a particular point on the line. Here we can see here what is C minus, again the same formula, C minus P plus 2. We can write here the same formula. What you will get here? C is what? C is the component of the system is the 1 minus. Now come to the point on this line. How many phases are there? If I would like to find the state of this point on a curve, that is how many phases are there? Because I was told that A and B, the solid line indicates that both are in the equilibrium. When the equilibrium is there, solid is in equilibrium with the gaseous. Means what? Those are in the 2 different phases. One is the solid phase, second is the gaseous phase. Phases are here 2. You are getting my point? Plus you can write the 2. What you will get it? Here you will get it minus 2 plus 2, you will get the 1, means degree of freedom is only 1. What it indicates that if you want to find the state of equilibrium of this point on the curve, at least you should change one variable. At least you should change the one variable, whether it is maybe the pressure, whether it is maybe of the temperature. Likewise, same thing here, the same curves we can see here. Curves also we can say in this. Now come to the point of the BC curve. So this is the BC curve. Here what is the BC curve is there? Here it is BC curve. It indicates the, what it indicates, solid and the liquid. Here the phases of the solid and as well as the liquid are in the equilibrium. Here the curve along with the solid and the liquid carbon dioxide are in equilibrium with each other. Again the same thing, you can find out the equilibrium, that is degree of freedom, you will get the 1. Same thing, we having the formula of C minus P, okay, plus 2. What you will get? You will get, again same thing we can calculate here. Component is the 1, phase is the 2, and plus 2 as it is. Why I am taking the phase is the 2? Because solid phase and the liquid phase point on this curve having the equilibrium. Therefore, I am taking the 2 phases. And what you will get it? You will get the 1. Again, with this we can say the if I would like to find a state of equilibrium on this curve, always it is dependent on any one of the intensity variable, that is pressure or temperature. Again the same thing, can I possible of is it we can get it the curve of BD. Same thing, curve of the BD. Again we can calculate, this is the points on the curve BD. What it indicates? Here it is, it indicates that these two things are in equilibrium. Here these two things are in the equilibrium. Getting my point? Here these two things are in the equilibrium, that is liquid carbon dioxide and the gas carbon dioxide, both are in the equilibrium on the curve of the BD. Again we can calculate the degree of freedom. The same thing by using the formula C minus P plus 2. Again what you will get it? You will get the same thing of the degree of freedom, you will get it only the 1. How? The component is the 1, phases are the 2, okay, phases are the 2, and getting my point? Here what you will get? You will get the degree of freedom is the 1. Means if I would like to find a state of equilibrium on this curve, always you will get the degree of freedom is 1. That indicates that those are variable, with at least you should know the one of the variable at that point, we can find out the state of that equilibrium. Next is triple point. This is the very important point. One more thing, as I told that is it is clearly indicating the triple point. This is the triple point. You see, this is here the curve AB, curve BC and curve BD are intercept at the point B is known as the triple point of the carbon dioxide. What is triple point? Triple point is nothing but here the carbon dioxide exists in the solid phase, carbon dioxide exists in the liquid phase, carbon dioxide exists in the gaseous phase. All are coexist with each other at a particular temperature, that is minus 57 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is 5.2 atmospheric pressure. Try to remember these values. At 5.2 atmospheric pressure at minus 57 degrees Celsius, all these states of the carbon dioxide, solid, liquid and the gaseous are coexist with each other at point B, that is known as the triple point. Here we can calculate the triple point of the degree of freedom. How we can calculate? The same formula, C minus P plus 2. How we can calculate the, what is the C component? Component is the only one, because one component system, minus P. What is the P here? The phases are the 3, because at this point all the phases are present, means they coexist with each other. Phases are, here we can see 3, then plus 2. So what you will get it? You will get the degree of freedom is a 0. What indicates? At this point the degree of freedom is 0, means it is completely invariable with any of the pressure, temperature and other things. If we want to find out the state of at equilibrium, this point, it is a direct point where we can define it at 5.2 atmospheric pressure and minus 57 degrees Celsius. These all the different states of these phases are in equilibrium at the point of triple point. Okay, this is the things which we are going to understand. Area under the curve, area of the curve, that is description of the course, as well as triple point of this curve. Next, use of the diagram. How we can use this diagram? As the phase diagram of carbon dioxide resembles that of water in showing 3 distinct area of solid, liquid and the gaseous phase. As we seen that, like it is similar to that of water system, having the three different phases of solid, liquid and the gaseous. But the phase diagram of carbon dioxide is different from the phase diagram of the phase diagram of the water in several respects. Here you can see the pressure where the solid carbon dioxide can exist in the equilibrium with liquid only at very high pressure is equal to 5.2 atmospheric pressure, where the temperature is minus 57 degrees Celsius. Where, see, try to understand here the solid carbon dioxide in equilibrium with its liquid only at very high pressure of 5.2 atmospheric pressure. But in the water system, we are seeing that at 1 atmospheric pressure only they can be exchangeable of solid to the liquid. But here the water system in which exists at the equilibrium at low pressure, that is, it can exist in equilibrium at low pressure at 4.58 mm of Hg. 4.58 mm of Hg. Here try to understand there is 4 mm of Hg and this is 5.21 atmosphere. 1 atmospheric is equal to 760 mm of Hg. So where this is the difference where the always carbon dioxide is in the gaseous form at the room temperature or 1 atmospheric pressure only. As we know that where at 1 atmospheric pressure carbon dioxide is always in the gaseous form and directly solidified without appearance of, where you can see, minus 78 degrees Celsius, it looks like a solid. That's why this region carbon dioxide is commonly known as the dry ice. Okay, at 1 atmospheric pressure minus 78 degrees Celsius, it in the appearance of the solid, that is dry ice, is known as the carbon dioxide. Okay, I hope we all are understand the concepts of the phase diagram of this carbon dioxide system. It is exactly similar to that of water system, having the three different curves, that is, and again they meet at point, that is triple point, and that triple point the value is at 5.8 atmospheric pressure and minus 57 degree Celsius. These all solid carbon dioxide, liquid carbon dioxide and gas carbon dioxide all are in the equilibrium at that point. Okay, so with this I will stop here. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my channel and press the bell icon button for latest videos notification. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.